Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. Let me do it till you talk. You come begin changing out. Agreement is agreement.
That's their business. If they like, let them not do what we are saying. Election is on the 25th. We will go there, all of us will dig it out. Because they cannot oppress me. And they will not expect me to close my mouth. Come on down, woma dole wa.
Oh, abundole dole.
Come on down, woma dole wa.
Oh, abundole dole.
Where is the engineer? Please put small volume. You know, this is campaign period. I don't want to shout too much. We have covered over 12 local governments. I don't expect me to be shouting. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Adia State. Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Speaker, members of the State Executive Council, members of the Assembly, our royal fathers, our mothers, our youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first and foremost advise that comedian who just finished performing. He said everything I said. I say, you must go. Be careful. Be very, very careful. I am dealing with politicians. They are crying. You. If I touch you, you will know that something touch you. But that notwithstanding, we are here to celebrate. And of course, we are gathered here because of a young man. I sat backstage and I've been hearing a lot of people say good things about him. And then he said his father is here. This is the only child that I see that him and his father are almost the same age mate. But it's okay. Everybody is father. Everybody is father. Father, come on, father all of us. But that notwithstanding, the young man is doing very well. And when somebody is doing very well, you tell the person is doing very well. And so I'm here because M.O.P is doing very, very well. He came from Lagos, even if he's a Port Harcourt boy. He lives in Lagos. And when he came here, he came to my house. And he told me, he said, I want to do my show here. I said, no problem. After all, you're a Port Harcourt boy. Don't be so. Don't be so. And I promised him that I was going to be here. I'm not there here. I'm not there here. Who is your brother? Who is your brother? Who is your friend? Not those that will tell you they will come and they will not. In River State, we always support our own. That is why, as the governor of River State, it is my duty to protect life and property, and to protect you people, and to deliver the dividends of democracy. And that's why it's everywhere. Is the dividend of democracy not showing everywhere? Look at the whole town, very beautiful. Flyover 1, flyover 2, flyover 3, flyover 4, flyover 5, flyover 6, flyover 7, flyover 8, flyover 9, flyover 10.
with their busy body. Yes, so wicked don't we know.
We will continue to win them. We will continue to. Because let me tell you, I don't have problem with anybody. Life is about you balance things. People will say, I don't balance things. Look, listen. Life is I cannot be in water and soap with my eye. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. Take one, give us one. Don't take all. That's being greedy. And you expect me to close my mouth? I cannot close my mouth.
Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. Make me do it till you talk. You come begin change the month. Agreement is agreement.
That's their business. If they like, let them not do what we are saying. Election is on the 25th. We will go there, all of us will dig it out. Because they cannot oppress me. And they will not expect me to close my mouth. Come on, down. Come on, down. So don't fear. We will go out for this election and we will win. Not be so. Don't worry. Melembe. We know what we have. Even them, they know what we have. It's not this one they are running up and down. Fa.
Yes, so we keep
If you didn't there, thank you very much and God bless you.
The past government, they spent more than $60 billion. They forget that the transmission line is a super highway. They couldn't even make a down payment for a roasted corn. They are talking about electricity. We brought electricity to Nigeria. We are even yet to generate electricity to even roast barley. $60 billion they couldn't pay for a kilowatt energy to even make a popcorn. I belong to a party. Every day they're asking me, what's your party? What's your party? What's your party? Where's the DJ? DJ, play a song for me. I want to dance. Stop the song. Stop the song. The stage is shaking. It's shaking.